Hi, today I'm going to show you how to download different browsers in our computer. Okay, I have other browsers installed, downloaded and installed in my system. I will show you where to download the browsers. Okay, by default, you have Microsoft Edge if you have Windows 10 or 11. So you can open Microsoft Edge browser on your systems. Okay, just type if you want to download Chrome browser, just type Chrome browser download. Okay. Open the first link. Here you can see download Chrome option. Click on it. The download started here. You can see the download start. Yeah, the setup file was ready. Okay, here you can see the setup has downloaded. Click on it. Just click on it and click on yes. Okay, when you click on yes, the download will be started and it will be installed in your system. Okay, so after downloading it, it will be on your desktop. Okay, so like this you can download Firefox browser and Opera browser also. Just type Firefox download. You will get the link of Mozilla. Click on it. Download Firefox. If you click on this, will your download will be started, and when you click on the exe file of the Firefox, when you double click on it, you can install it on your systems. Same for Opera also. Okay, so if you have browsers already in your system, first of all you have to update the browsers. Okay, so to do that, in Chrome, where is the option to update the browser? I will show you. Open the Chrome browser. Okay, just click on this three right side top three dots. Okay, when you click on these three dots, you will find help menu. Click on about Google Chrome. Okay, it will check for the updates. If there are updates for Chrome, it will download. It's checking for updates. An error occurred while to update. The update is currently running. Refresh it in a minute. Okay. So my it was saying the updater is currently running. Okay. Yeah, I will close this. Here you can find update the browser option. You can, or it will automatically update it. Okay. So I will close this. For Firefox, we will check where in the Firefox we have that option. We'll check these three buttons: help menu, about Firefox. So my Firefox is up to date. Okay, so no issues with this Firefox. Okay, we'll check the Opera browser also. Opera, click on this icon, Opera icon. You will find help menu. Click on about Opera. Checking for updates. Yeah, Opera is also up to date. We'll now check Microsoft Edge browser. Click on three dots. Click on help and feedback. Click on about Microsoft Edge. So checking for updates. Yeah, Microsoft is up to date. If the if there was a latest version, it will download automatically when you open this page. Okay, So like this, you have to first update your browsers. Okay, if you don't have any browser, you can download it from your by connecting to the internet. You will have one default browser installed it in your system by Microsoft, that is Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. Okay, so from that you can download other browsers also. Okay, yeah, thanks.